Pit Barbecue. And my boy Joe over in Smoking Joe Pit Barbecue, he wanted to do a Chicago dog collaboration with a bunch of other YouTubers. What I'm going to do is I'm going to basically put Joe, link in the description, go over to his channel, subscribe, and I'm going to hashtag this video. So the hashtag will be on the bottom. That's going to link everybody to everybody's video. So let's just go by ingredients. We got 2 all beef hot dogs. We got onions. We got some pepperoncinos, peppers, hot. We got a pickle spear. We got the green relish. I don't got the lime green relish. And we got tomatoes. And the only thing I'm missing, and I steamed the bun, just put it in the bag and put it in the microwave for a couple seconds. So my buns are steamed. So I'm gonna go in with a, I'm just gonna go ahead and just make both sandwiches. And these buns are split up top. And to that dough, I'm gonna add my onions first. So I'm gonna get some onions in here, okay? All right, I like onions, okay? And then I'm gonna go ahead and go in with tomato spear. I mean, tomato slice, 2 of them, probably, okay? Per sandwich. All right, check that out right there. And then I'm gonna just go on with 2 of those pepperoncinos. I think they use sports peppers, but I don't have sports peppers. And then I'm just gonna go down the line with some of that with some pickle relish. Okay. I think I need to put a little more onions on this one right here. I like the little onions. Okay, and just a lot of mustard. And this way things get a little funky for me. Right here, we're gonna go with a little celery salt. So, well, if I could get it out, better. So I'm just gonna go and just make sure this. Yep. So, sorry about that, YouTube, but I think that should be enough. Oh Lord, that was a lot right there. Get some, okay. So I think that's it. So what are we gonna do? We're gonna go in for a taste test. Look at that plate. Do you can pick up that plate? Yeah, that's nice presentation. So I'm gonna go in with just a taste test. I don't have a poppy seed bun, but these buns they look amazing. So they're soft and oh, hey, this right here is a bad mamma jamma. I only had Chicago dog once. That's hot. I don't remember the flavor, but this got awesome flavor. I love the onions. I love the peppers. I love the sweet. Oh, I forgot to put the pickle spear on there. I'm not gonna edit that out of the video. So I'm gonna have to taste it with the pickle spear on there. So so I don't know what kind. This is a huge hot dog, so I'm gonna go in with the pickle spear. The next one. So Home run. Hey, this is TNT Barbecue. God bless you and God bless America. This is awesome hot dog. Thank you, Joe. Thumbs up.